Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making an orange loaf cake. This is a fruit cake made from freshly squeezed orange juice and some of the fleshy parts of the orange. So stay tuned and let's get started. These are the ingredients we are using for today's orange loaf cake. So we have 3 oranges here, half-sized lemon, half tablespoon of salt. We have 1 full pack of butter here, which is 250 grams. We have 2 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, some vanilla. We have baking powder, our oil, the flour. We also have a spare bowl, a measuring cup. We have some measuring spoons, the scissors, a knife for slicing the oranges, corn ladle or spatula. Then we have our parchment paper. We'll also be using our stand mixer and then the smaller part of our blender. Not forgetting our chopping board. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So I'll place on our bowl, we'll add in a little bit of water and then we'll wash just one of the oranges which we are going to zest. So I'll pick it out and then trash this water. I'm going to grate it. You need about 2 to 3 tablespoons. So this is the lemon zest we obtained. We are going to set it aside and then we'll start cutting all the parts of the orange away, which is this whitish part. We'll cut all of them for all 3 oranges and we'll continue from there. So we'll get rid of the trash. We are going to blend until smooth. So into our bowl here, I'll add in our blended orange. Then we'll squeeze just a little bit of the lemon juice onto it. We'll set it aside and then into our mixing bowl, we'll add in our butter, oil and sugar. So I've transferred the orange puree. We are going to start working on our wet ingredients in it. going to scrape the bowl, ensuring that everything is mixing in nicely. And then we'll mix again. So this is how it looks like. It looks a bit curdled, but it doesn't matter. We are going to mix our dry ingredients and then we'll add it in. This is our flour. We are going to add on our baking powder and then the salt. With the whisk, we'll combine everything together and we'll introduce it into the wet ingredients. So we are adding in half, allow it to mix slightly, and then we add in the other half, just so we don't send the flour flying everywhere. I'll add the vanilla, the orange zest, and then combine everything together to form our cake batter. So I'm going to remove it and then we'll start pouring it into our loaf tin. So I'm going to pour it into the loaf tin. That's the leftover here, but this is our loaf. So we are going to bang it slightly on the countertop and then bake for 35 minutes at most. So this is our orange loaf cake. You can see that it's well baked and looks very nice. We are going to decorate it with some orange glaze and then we'll continue from there. So we are going to glaze it. Use the spatula to spread it nicely. So we are going to serve it. We are going to give it a taste. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.